be no bidu ngala dana sen so wato la sajen kanano ne mol ga kacha sa ko si ari mankile barudu mo buka be fono nga mo buka be fono na a tromp mal na bo do kono jani bo mo ba na fay do ko nyaari ne be kudo ko ne be kanal boro fa kudo ma faran tangu nya ba boro kilo ada mu kanal da mu kudo mana sai ko fa mo le ne ba kan mu kanal kana man tambe baro anyway so me mol be kondo na comme gam yo ko lan ron hadi bi ma jali ba ambe kering Gambia amanga ko kilen fonde ka amanga ko kilen fonde ku jamal mbara be tarana ta masa kunala feelings wala masa kuname yalon ko emelo lafa na problemo be tarana ta dangum wol bawo banko ka ni mol be ka fotan kere kilende ko sal dalam signoti dalam den takula na adol mankile nyawanya na dinol mankile nyawanya bare ku dantambe je mfanang mbeka d'accord no wala mondi banko nyata marala nyawanya tata mala nyama banko luwa so no wal be sire ne momo yatinya e ka dun dole akoda luwa kantala wala mjumadi mazakunda so de mazakunda be sire ko katinya banko kan tinya robe kere banko kan ital ibuka kubono je na manke diamba ken samon wo mazakunda sifa futa nyawanya mo sa fono ko is a failed state mo ya sa bu ka mo la hajo menti to bu ko jarano mo la sula ko menti bu ko ma fano gambe ma so kunda ya mata ketale ko ñing mafia groupol men ka nke jube television to la fimol jube gambe ma so kunda la banta kala wala nyam ita lolon kam mo nati wala banko dingol ke batande do ye fengo fenga ka banko dingol la to ye fengo fenga wala ne bu ke dalo no kuka na manke ka mo len ko ngasilo do ko jana ngasilo do ko mo la baro man troso ne ale mo jël la ka si ka fo yon ko ndal lañu ci la karda ñi ñaata la bi wo kañ ni yobe se wore mo ma fa silo man beteat no ma fa man ko maya baru ko priority la jawara si wadi folo ne ya man silo do ko olke ba ko me ya fan so do ko dal e ga institutional la lo wo institutional la ni bi wala be lore sa fa nge falene wala dol ti ñaata la dol boyta la bari institution be Gambia bi jawra mo so ko ndajal ko banko su la ñina wala mo telecommunications gamtal da wala kon il fallait parler bo tinya port authority ay ku jamal jara Gambia anda continent hani bi ba Gambia bu ko fem produce so mo fe nga ko bana bantal o port authority wol fana Gambia ma koy jawra yo establish je nana da funding kel la ko wo stadium me yalo jara fala be tinyaka amanda wala produce marketing board GPMB Gambia Cooperative Union Social Security Housing Finance Corporation ku jama balu bije men yalon ko jawra ma sokunda aje ko banko sulata nyin la ka institutional law ka ministry law ka agency law bodo fel nyol be bol ko ye banko mol nafa Gambia na so do ko sa fa se mema na ko masla even nyam banjul sara kunda highway ngamra 1981 82 kata 83 ñol ma fa wala Princess Anne wala fa nata asilo ñi ya o tay mo lay wasilo de da kabri 1965 independence sura so mol ni wora rawon le bije amanke ko silo mon kumaya na kumaya ba ke fa bar silo me yalon ko ni ba fla kumaya la wala safaro mol ye futano ñoma mol ye ñoo chok ñolo e keno sama la be la sama do ko wala la tiyo bu ka sanno natra sama do ko ka kedamento asemmema isava balon kono ñol lam bari mu ñol lam ni yalla fengol doku aba wa fela mentole ba sama la nang GPMB ñol ma fengol la ibe sula la motole la mbi daw kamalete ye samana wol fana wol ka sula silo la ni aja ka ke silo jama safaro la futa ñomo e ka wala sonyan ba no safaro no futa ñomo man dara al halal ite luwolu yewul tro nga silo doku luwolu yewul nga silo doku luwolu yewul nga silo doku mo la balo be ko leare poro me ya ko balwo nyanta futal na ninjel ba on dal bu ga doku wo be lanta abe tiñaare mole bari law maaw ma ngasilo do ko jana karam mol lo jana classroom mol lo jana ti cialla joma betea ti cialla riso karam da no ma riso ita la mao ma tata be mol wala nan ko la mao ma e ka banko dingol le to a latest one on monati enin KMC yesu manala kabri yo musu no samananje man kon dañu na to fon la Sena Martin e songola ya ngawro makelo kon nongol so jaron kol be janna mambo nyomit ndal ya mambo wo tiñar la me alon ko a sabarita lo ka tiñaro e palaso men dia la tiñaro ke je wo mari wo mo si fale nyandal yewul bondi la do ko la bawo jamala den na famala hana kete bulu accident won bare pour nyin kamala ka jama hakilo tan ko ka fo ko ha ndal na do sobe yalla mo moy tiñaro ke janto laftala hakilo tan ko ma mari bon la do ko la mo do ke je men sa samano bare mo kendol men ka do ko ka manja nyol sifal ikawol bondi je la ye mo do samana me yalan ko ala kontina o kuriya men ka kenunje ka kontine wal sena martignol ye ke place de tiñaro ke je aba men ye do ko wala men yalan ko sobeya wala local council di sobeya Gambia Masakunda be ko ne tarana iba wol tala wol amanke be fana de kat basse o hana be tiñare wol fana mane en president be bulukele bawo ni tapere sobeya le ka kelol wuli takam yo kel wol man jankama ya bondi amanke man janda mari amadou sana nyolle e kelo wol ndi kama ye bondi bari be kuriya be sabatalo kam ital kete sementu ya fay ka police ol ki kanay ka mol office bu ndal kat yow la ke sena martin ko sa tiñaro ke je KMC ya bay baro ko men na bay bawo nen ko baro minister bi ke dan katela atalam ko ko so yo tiñarali ka wala samana ya fo ko ye continue ye ke place ol jonga nyolle kabrina de ya ko tiñaro sembo warta bil kama area council ini yow ñoo saban ngo kije ya bondi ya samad la dor instead of ya bay bar man janyol men ya lon ko ya pensional la ko beson ya ndi bul hani la pension jo waro jira manjire ta ñu ranjambal ibita bank la do ya ko do bondi ita fle ta bi na bi so may na janita la pension jo wo soto la ibe famo fendi le la aya traité même be jo paso ni ko fu ñuma ni tabe men soto la ji wol be kala la ko na takila ay o be bonde je so be yabe kere njere yo boy bar men yalan ko tiñaro ke dula be panchankala aram baro terol mo wolle marama ke kensen de fanan ngam ne ya jube ñu wato ko no fa kunun scandal ku do la fende fo kunun ko ba ñu sube pale men kare so ne ya jube misala ko mesa ko Gambia na ko state la wala monti drogue wa fila letam Gambia banko amanka drogue wa fila da mate mba fala fanan ko men yalon ko nyin ko de tinya wala ka kelo ko comme nyin ko de furo basically ka fanyale illicit financing mol kam Gambia ko la mol ka taraka chala nga ko yeke ayen kamfa nga diama ko la janim ben daji la wala kudo yeke nga nyana nyin dol. Give me some water. Oh, that's so that's that. Thanks. First, make it on passport scandal. How more than all again. The passport all the more la many along make banko dingol. The Gambian banko di yadi wol. Mo ma wol lom manko da gamme mi along kasa gamme dingol na fa mo fon balon fol mo jama be wol fon ko ne me singolo gamme ni ko gamme ren ma po de dal na min do. Womo kilimo ye passport se kaya dila ka dila mun ka thank you okay ye passport se ka di wala mun ka wala ko di mol nyanta men nyenga so passport scandal bije wokola woko ken me ya amuta how many tons man ko ko mo foko tek how many tons of cocaine yaba muta Gambia iko ken ngo me ka to fo malon jumal fo mtaw nyina rato la me yalan ko malon jumal kelim banta ker hanabi kesa mambo jabar what drug me muta Gambia ye hanabi how many tons of cocaine adu ndamendol jumal le dabi mo manku mo hanabi ku ngombono wor so ñen be mo example flanjaw wala woka ken scandal number 3 o magic air me ka fa men ka fa ko plain old sun inata ye register Gambia wol sin nan man lo Gambia ila flight nan man na Gambia ila cool phone nan man do Gambia bari ye registration okay in the name of Gambia munam because Gambia is a country, it's a state. Dunia be recognize that Gambia is a state, a member of the United Nations. So now that international transaction, la Gambia can operate as a state. Walanko, amafan sumbankol. So you're welcome na kama to bypass and go call be ichodiro labandamendole Belarus ni Russia nyol mafon because mane wol be sanction wala kono fa sanction yo fa tonya mantonya ya ndala hajiro ngalo nako sanction wala be ka kwadi. So sa no wol lafta sandiro kele buka keno e ka modol le tota e ko ngo ite e tokije e sa jantal sulo dem nan se wosoto den sina kammetagul e gamme ke bana bano ana mbaro sonda amanda wal Russian oil scandal was sanction kilo ngor Russian oil me ya ko bugala oil buka wa fino la tool man ka bola banko ka ni la natural gas ani wasifa buka wa fino Gambia da blandi Ibrahim ay nemba Gambia ta fin doro kunun fola kunun ko monegara iko Assad me ala ko ma be ke fende mo fa kala banko dingol mo ke gas de numéro 1 kabri wulta kam e kelo wula kam sanji jalu mo wuli wulo le fa do bare akul la ba ma kalang no fa e bori banko ka janabe borla atara la bagasol membe jala kudol membe jala sanol na la lulul be bon la banko ka nyaadi le e mo fero sono la businessman dole be Gambia newspaper le mouth ba on ga newspaper le read ka ju mo ne ke wala o kodo bonninya Gambia dabla ta ko kono kuru yabe keren Gambia da ka bla ko kono aram baro ma sakunda ko ne hakilo ba kala si wadi fola ta men dole Congo Brazzaville Gambia ne wole mun affaire resort so ñun kusifa la be keren Gambia me alon ko ñim money laundering ko lem illicit financing, drug related issues, wodrong Gambia to ka finto wala ñim passport scandal big sa ñim basal asa international community wala mello wala siarantal ko mello nintal la newspaper ya bondi wala ka men soro asikate si ala bag bar wala agent sola on the ground dula bir la investigation wala ka ñim kusifa review so nintal nga tanalo wala kemen nintal lo o bebe na amana kala e be simfa ta la be labana ka Gambia la manto Gambia dingol le be tora because ni ala masakunda ka aka bango dingol la to masakunda bu ko kala so ñun kusi fa la be keren Gambia wala na aram boro ni mo kende ta keno mo krungol dro ni wala sa keno because ñim be mo kriyal fo bango la luwal tinyal lemba fo international luwa tinyal lemba abe ka fundaw ñi ñim mo krungol be fundaw ñi la yamante du na nje ki dol men fayda Gambia the police officer flafa ya la ken nin kil naka italia ko wol membe dabal ko nyina moy to la sedo to ku ma a fengo fenna malla to nyabulo ni o mo fala jube isalon ko mari professional la mo me ya ko kafo ko ne te mo le target ye mo saba ye be bun kidol ye mo folon bun kidol ya fa wo kafo ko na je kido be o mari la bul mo fula nyama me jikita ko nyeng bawo nyindo boytal asike nyindo be kido sigala ay remplacer yo fanam bu yafa sabanya nyin kita musol o kafo ko e man te nyonna mo la fu ma yawan kan na man security training soto mo malon kan an nen police ko bla nyoko e ko wala yak ye men samane ko la mo to la seda kumba ba fangori fo mama jabi lamba ni wato kono ngol jara campagne la baro ya kamana ka damba wani la oppositional frame la jele ka wol tumi ka ko anya manke banko din kendo de wol nyin la banko jawol pour yibe bulo la no la wol kan nyaade o wambenno ko nyejo sama na tara pepsi sama nya wala mala seda folo nyaw e ko me o mol bum ki dola e fa o samato me a dun kabra bo mal fala e o samato ni e wol muta ye jet e samato sama ne ka a dun ma ko ngasimo sai ka homo le la farbol la sama le be wol sama lam samato fel e singo fela bla ko na man kunji a be kuriya mo ya ke professional la buwa ya kala live to yan Gambia ñu korla jamal bi je ka moy ko ye lolé bandi wala bi je bu ko mo jakon ki dolo fata fata no banko kan crime rate be siare banko kan ni scandalol men be ka ke involving international violating international sanctions Gambia da ka taraji faya kalam dalbam fama kalam dalbam ba ta ka tara sinol ata nyanta men kala ka ba dembo ka sibo wala na sibo da na wulta asinaw abadi ba da ko do jota tinyaro be ke ay site manala kata wul ka dina alfal samana ya jame kamen si fa keno ngabra kawra ba sunguru no nyapen kanna gamol be kere mbanda atlo be alquran no suko na finda ala rambu ba bal dunga ala ta se boyo muta alquran muta blo ko na bu kuriyar ko misul ko nyino adam baro lo ta janne sali wato bana sunkar salo me ala ngon la hada mayar ni sal keral botale ka findi ba dum le ka yek ali nyo duwa nyo e ali nyo konton ale fama bondo ba wulu mo kata ndo gol mo kata kungudo mo kata office nga duwa nyo e nga dimbaya jube molbe nyaadil nga ba di ya jok wala kata wala mutella adot dino fana nata wala subatin ko albadi ya jok alay mol men deng wala nyante ke ba ngol mo kana du ngol teme kana ba di ya kun adam baro mo nek Hamad Bale folo ya commencé banko alfal sindi dina ñaton kol ye doya ke neng karwo mol Hamad Bale diam ñaan amanjar moy da se ko moy ta to video lam sa wala be kere ka fo ya fole mamo nga moy la video bi jël mol ya jube adam baro ya be ko mu nek ka wo si hal mamol ka ñu nek jaral mamol ka ñu nek ya mamol beten al mamol beten bari dal mo kilongol men yalon ko be wal mamul ka jafila ko wal ka fitno kurkur banko ka e baf la ma di jawar ñol bawul ka to ñal fo ka fitno kurkur banko ka ital hayne be ngol ko dal boy le ko fendi la be se e dum be si la deme fitno kurkur la tamiro sala ji ko hayne ko yen yolla e be darante be to woldo wala yefa jumale wo sa man sa kunda kenya sa ay woke woti ñaro ko la atata modol ko man na ka fo ko ha muslim elders gambia bu muslim ka fe jop jella soro ku khutale dabla ja be mu corruption dina alfa fana de tawalion la londo siaranti la sango siaranti la bu nyaale ben ni tema manya na fle ta nyantam nekel bawo alfa anda lab yato e bu alfa yama bare politiko wala be kere anda sege ita la longo politiko to afuta dabendo anim politiko ka nyame mankili ita la miro ta ka nyama na ka nyame mankili bi politician ol sa ko men yalan ko be masakunda wal sula ko be monete be mara lo continue no la nyaadi la mo kana bondimul isa fani yake pour ka sabati masakunda isa tilimbal yake pour ka siwo masakunda isa molfa pour ka continue o mansayal isa mol du nyoto isa football bank isa ko nono beke pour ka siwo masakunda ni wal kaltal ko mande pour ka nana ali sutiyela oto mol nyandaje la ko ni be tinyaro la fana al fana ko wula ka diam ni salaji pol men kata ya man dawo dam mala ko bodula belam be mol la kordal busule bul ko kana masa kuna kana do ko ki sanje fla sanje saba sanje nani sanje lulu kuta kala je sanje woro njaw ngaje ya tala nyote ma adi dimbaya ani lo mol wo mol me yol bandije wal kala to maranke di ba ifangola wuludla wala be kere sa nembo gal mamol je ka diam wo ko wala muneka nake banko mol kana judu wala imaje bi mo ba flo ka ha cristiano mo bu ke je ka nyinkete cristiano wol ni wol fankata tenente ne ke ye musulman alfa do ay islam ni islam dina nyaron ko ye dabla nyim politique ko ko ma fa kané dabla je bari ya ke ni silo la me yalon ko ta mol jutun la dino ba wo tala ke baro mol ka dino jube wala fa nyanta kala fo nyana ka ta islam mo jube wala so sa ka xigul tuot ba nga fa nyambe hako dal lantal manke amar moti bari politiko membe kering aram barol politiko politik norim ba Supreme Islamic Council beji manana man anu wol man kaja bawo ko banjul muslim elders bal sa ngalon nako amanke banjul muslim elders dama ni wol fanam benana ike do ñol lokman so mo sa fa Supreme Islamic Council la wol beji rawdatul maja raw ka ka folo nya majalis wol fanam beji ndala mi roto nsa fo ko etal mandara dino kan ko nyanda tar la ka nyame bar ahmad yal fanam jo fanam ke fam ko man muslim wol la sa ka na muslim elders lo ko te ko sa wol ko juma represent ñing kafu jamal be te ñanta mu nek la wala ko jawala la jamano mu ka ko maje Supreme Islamic Council atani wala ka deal wol fana lo la nyande kala mo ne wala ko banko kal luwal kana safeje me yalon ka mol batan le dino la karo wala nyande kala wol fana lo la so wol nim men nyanda do ko kala baake wala nyanda kala monti National Assembly ba wala ka luwal sa ni loi propose ko nyanda kala wol fana so wol consult isaje Supreme Islamic Council isa ko mor ko Dakar la mol be yele men yalon ko wol mu Imam Malik follow la let wala Imam Malik men ka blano wol fana la nyaton ko fana men je ko kare da wasala Imam Malik la ko wala yo blande Supreme Islamic Council ñun dool men yalon ko wol mu murido la di wol blande je ñun dool men yalon ko wol mu safi la di Hanafi yo wol blande je wol be kafru ñoma ya fay Supreme Islamic Council isaje ni na ne ko be loi dol safela ida mal si ya fon ko men loi safela sa won dino be nyaade baaw ban ko mol ci ma bije dina mu la silot nini wol kajar ya jube wo loi ni ba edit la nyaade la pour ka make sure ka kana mol batandi la dinor enen Christian Council France ñina ñata kelal ko wor nimba na solol na de ni president mo si na ya kacha ye duwanyo e janja je kana ke politique ba ngor bari barwa ta buga wala keno abawti ñaro la je sa do bal ba fule ko baro mo democrat let nen ti ñaro grabul wati ka fon ko democrat len kat ya jame wato ñum buga kiya akor yol ay ya kumba bay janna ma bay dalila ka anen luwa manta democrat bu ka luwati nya ika mol la ñinen ka men yalon ko luwa long lafta ñene kala ni banko luwal be ñaadi wol sabo yo ñor bari ya momento mo yake je ne wo ma fo ko yo bay ko e dew nga ko amiru wonde o serenta bal wosono iko ngol lafta ñene kala ko ya tanata wot dawra jallo mo sifal me yan ka nyata tar jele ka joko president wala masa kunda kana ku membe banko mol torala wala banko luwal ti nyal anyanta ya mar lawol para ta ko baro lafta men na ka wala ni wonde ya kumba bayo ma nyana kala bawo National Assembly member le tare ya kalendi amanya na way aya bay Supreme Court ko almake ko amanda wala fo Hamad Bakara lo meto ra ka fo ko ni court sol fango sa ka ni kiti ko kiri kunduka masa kunda jale democracy o sala banko luwatinya so ni lata ka ko ka ni nyande mol nya ko ku mulu njawo e ko sival le fal ya jama jama ñu buka kiya wala nga bonni baro sa wota la firework ba me ya jama bonni je na fana ka be so lawol mo ya bonni je o kan kan do ko men kere ñam lo be kala fana bari taw sonna wol bela so yenyen tiñarol men ke court yamone fo iko local government and lands wala Hamad Bala minister janare tar raje Musa Drab wala benonje ko ye men ke banko luwatinya masa ko nambe siral tur ko nande way banko luwatinya o ko mena fo banko dingol amanke kilinta amanke flata amanke sabat ita la maoma e banko luwatinya ila maoma e banko luwatinya sani men lote yesiri go ko to nyaafo ko wala ka fitno kurkur banko ka ni ma ko juma ba fa so dunde tiñaro molbe tiñaro fale ga fam ka laftan ni molu dun nañu mana ne tiñaro ni be siri ro so ko mo defam fa so ñu rawe kerim banko ka alfa ñande fanang ni mol ne nali masakunda bal lo dun nañu bul ase ko kuti me alon ko ning di am wado sita mol sal fanan joko alfana be ko mo fokan andum kontanta ka al mamo dolje men yalon ko finta ka foko iketel tumi men amanke to nyaat bawo ko masa yamari itela simfa banko dingol la nafa ka taraje elemantoro ka taraje sa al mamol membe wol nyaato no wol do ka fo an ka nale jingal ka nyin dula kar le toral ka nyin dula kar le tor wol man traffic na kurkur la wol be de darol bari mo be tiñarol anda dal nafa be wot tiñarol abagala fi ka to nyamay wala maram baro masakunda afla nyaw monati wala nyi mon me yalon ko ya di amo commencer ko rek adi amone na mo faat comme ko wala kasiya nga boy kudo nga fay kudo nga trawo di amol bar ñing constitution ko be meke men yalon ko mol jigita ko ñil lañu dagala independent organization independent institution wala ko malla masakunda kan ay man dara masakunda kele kan e malla opposition kan e man dara opposition kele kan ni amo independent wala mod ital gaaju be mona banko na fala monen banko lu waltara abe banko jama mol na fala ita la diamo ka ko wol ike city ikalo wala ka ni wato ko na wala fananje ya ko ke duma la ya ken duma ya ken sa na ka fin nam bandal wala ko baro constitution men safa bulo lafta gambian ko li fandi wala ko nyina nyanda kalanta la loi maraba loi de men ndam mara bar ndal fongo be d'accord ta men ko lafta nyina ke loi de men be mara adam baro yo sigala nyum ya fay atata fansun ta safa na asamana sai ka fu mo len ko nyanda sonna wala iba fole ko ha nyin ku kar ba ko non nyin ku kar do ba ko nyin ku o be ta la nyamo ko nya imam mo consult number 1 wala problème ila fanial make dabal kana fa ko ha ni adam baro ni usen dawo sita fol la tam gambia no wol site ka ta do nyin problème be solve la fol la tam gambia banko dungo mo million flanem fen nyanda sile men kaja wena ka luwa ika fo ngo mo fla wol da malabo mo folo wala tinyaro wala anam baro bawo kabri sira 2006 ni ko ya jemelo luwal mam beteya ya CRC lo mo daga me man CRC lo hani mala ko to monet bari ya to la e fenda mo e CRC be gam yal na mon CRC wala na de ka fale onko lafta banko luwa ko to la safel altala miro monet asate ndinga sate ba ibe yalo wala consultation ni amo consultation wala jannal be nyun ko kal bawa banko molle na fala wala be wala toral aniyata ni yakacha e gambia be ya ton kon fa ton ko e wulta wote na tay gambia dingol men yalla ko bantara se ngami na tay wol fana no ma band altal fana la miro monet ya safe saytal ya jube bawa to le luwa karang ya lo luwa ka safe nyaadi le ya be ka fu nyoma ya draft constitution o safe bare kabi ya safe fana iko mole na nga la mirol tal bare mirol be man kunje dole ya foten saytal nga jube o kuflol tema nyinam tema kun nan ko de nga wala ki say akayto nyi fala la jube alfe na tra ya nyafa nsa fu ko final draft nga di masa kun na ma nyafa nsa ko yelo man de ko de nga safe ku o force issue ni inu fana mo ta banko mol kan ka itandi banko mol hanim malla finyina ani nyindo ya be ka fu nyoma ko de ba ni ajetal ko kay luwalo ba jubelo ko nim banko mol ko lafta nyina la yoki nyindo ko lafta nyina yoki sa ni ajube abuko mu mebe ko constitution of nyene aseke italien même for section 1 wala section 25 wala conflict so sa bo reconcile la nyaadi wala muy to la do ko wala na mole même fo buka be ki je 100% ital ga jube la ku flol men nan ko be conflict soto la le e bo reconcile la nyaadi ni ta reconcile no le ajube me jori la idea be men tol ye mol invite les safaro ga dok mo ni ma jeta nge safara si nyafla si nyasaba ndade la metongol wala m consultation bar kabra asafeta foka pare ye wol beke sa nyifla men si arawat ina na de yasama aram baro ay dawde jallo samba national assembly pour kata ka ko nyin kay tan lo ko nyinam banko mol la fina famote ba atalam banko mol la loyati ni amoy atoni general wala atalam banko mol la loyati banko mol la fa nyina la CRC yala do ko kay ko nyanta kala nyame ko luwa safa nyame il fele ne nyina nata ala debate sign jande ba samba mol referendum dawde jallo na de kam la mare rek momen no energy no stamina nothing comme ye momen forcé ka ngo nyimuta yakara kay tan mo la konté la fin non dañen baaw manem tam limit membe je mal la fa atara na da ko be mol adam baro nyanta sila janna fa dia ta wato men ko ya jame kam fo be sila fa dia dañu wato men men dia ta ngaw ki adam baro fana la tawol wo ku kilimo dama walam de ku samana wo kola to nyata ko o ketol ko de ben la len fitri ben datro ba wodam dama wala ne yo sika ya nyumba ya fay nyamo ko sa ni de woke woto murna mol kan ko rek hanatra mol be kan fala ko million kemen taw woro la kenyum ko kunna pour ka banko luwa ko tol sa hanatra be million kemen dole kala je ko rek ye murna mol ka ale men sa fe foloke amantano sa ndo fa al ngaw fa nan ko rek ini mol ye consultation bari mo e ko mane gara ha ko wolti nyala sa ngata Nigeria ngata Abuja ni ya ko wol kacha wo kacha ko na je wo kola ngamara ni natana yo constitution koto kilmo sike ya samana national assembly sa d'accord men na Abuja patiol be so wala ko ni ko tam limit lam adam baro la first time kana da kandi okay ni na dal nga wo vote patiol be so wala bari dara yo discussion be ga Abuja ko dol be tinyata inata yo constitution o sike ya den ni kara ye fansun tasa yo samana ko pour mole na ni webe ngama nyana yudi bi balanda kata kala banko mole ni nyantale ni si ni ya kaja ita lafta men ne yo ko constitution ko ne malaf men ne yo bandi bari te fansun bu ko sa bala so man mole e ka fa al nyanta so in mol me yalan ko ta nyanda gala independent observers ti nyanda kala kuutu me yalan ko be lola banko mol la fe ntal betu la constitution sa la fa sanji yo america men fele jando sanji kemen ntal lu constitution kilmo bebul ni ta da fa yaje ko kuol fale ndale say baaw sanji kemen fla ko men mu kuotu na nimbi wal mankeli mo tay mo to te kere say ni nata ne ko be luwal sa la pour moto la ko le ba dun la loi bunjuma la ko ye bumbungol le lo wala sa fa bundungol nyindo be nyole kala je nyindo be sa nyole kala je nyindo be tiole kala je sa ni na na loi ko do fa sa internet fendra sa mbo dun la bundu nyuma ko 250 years of constitution kilmo be je amendment par ka wonta lafta independence na constitution ko dol nyenen ka mbada independence republican na constitution ko dol nyenen ka kabriya jame ko de da constitution fa ya fa sun constitution samana wala kada decrease Decree 1, Decree 2, Decree 3, Decree number, I don't know how many decrees. For 1995. In CRC, I go to it. Yeah, I just 1995, I CRC law, no Constitutional Review Commission. Because 1996, when you take a cut for you, it a transition of it now. So, when you have CRC, it had a consultation on the local bacon. You had a constitution kutosa. O fana la kutal no par mo nekata ya jamme men sam mo yo constitution men e ko mo len ko nyinam constitution ko to janna kata referendum ya fale wala na bin ka fa 1997 constitution mo beria sani adam boro mota exactly the same thing bon ko mo ko la ta constitution men ay mota ay fay ay fan su ta samana e ko ma an carte fay sani ma sa ko na ne wa fala nyal ko ñu constitution mo beria constitution tal betu lo wat I tinyang. So moment yalan ko nyanda support la based on the rational constitutions are developed to benefit the people. The people are subject to the constitution. Those people should come together and decide what constitution or what laws they want to subject themselves to. As long as they are not consulted, nothing in that document should be valid. Simple, straightforward. It doesn't matter if there's time limit. It doesn't matter if Barrow is supposed to serve 2 years and then there'll be elections every 2 years. It doesn't matter. People were not consulted. That's the bottom line. Nobody should dictate to them what laws. Take it back to the people. That is UDP's position. And now if Dabo and Barrow agrees. Dabo doesn't own the country. Barrow doesn't own the country. It's the Gambian people. They need to be consulted. They were not consulted. Simple. There is a legal mechanism. In fact, for Afrobarometer, 67% of Gambians wala ning mo kemel Gambia ta woro ning worowlo be ko ila tole CRC draft chorna jallo ñom len draft ya sa manan ko tege National Assembly foka pare mol ma foko wo CRC draft 100% wala ñala tala referendum hani bawo National Assembly député bo wolto mol ya wala tombo pour yata ke mol kamoto ye ni aje ko malla fi tam limit ya debate ni a debate ya kaja ñinam advantage ñinam disadvantage ya discourse ni pare dawol ya fay bawa ka wala gam ni mol bang den kanna jamasia ka bala sila nga jube jumal la sonde ye bulo wulen ni wo men sonde wala siya ni weta so ko National Assembly nga taje nga edit nyanta men bola je nga bodi je nyanta men tola je nga tuje bara man jiki nyina ko nata National Assembly ata lafta men na be soto la because wo ko bebe tara transparent banko mol be sile ba la moy ni ajon ko ale nyim bodi je nyina man ke silori or this is what is wrong with it, this is why we want to change it. That debate will be open, it will be public, and people will see. Barrow knows he stands no chance in getting everything he wants. That is why he doesn't want the document to go to National Assembly for editing. But now, he wants his document to go to the National Assembly for the same reason. That when it goes there, because it's already drafted, they are going to be 100% or 90% unwilling to change it. And it will pass. So National Assembly is just a talking point. National Assembly is just for formality's sake. Sidin Jabe the National Assemblyman they will block everything, obstruction. They will make sure nothing passes except what Barrow wants. if indeed their whole goal is to make sure this draft constitution is edited in the National Assembly to reflect the will of the people, let them bring the 2020 draft and then campaign for what they want. Let people see the debate unfold in public, since those are the representatives of the people. But they don't want to do that because they know they don't have the numbers. And they don't have valid points or arguments, since we want to do away with Yahya Jammeh's constitution. Let the people see the debate unfold. But he is sure 100% sure he cannot get the numbers he needs to get everything he wants in the constitution. He'd rather kill it and bring his own constitution. And now these people are campaigning for everybody to go and support that. Why? You want me to subject myself to laws that I did not contribute to making? We might as well crown him King Barrow. Because he gets everything he wants, we don't get anything. So this whole thing, oh, take it to the National Assembly, let them debate. No, bring back the 2020 draft, let them debate that. People were consulted on it. I'm sure there's a legal framework where they can bring it back, reintroduce it, without changing anything. Any changes, let the National Assembly debate, change it. When they finish with their changing, they take it to the people. Referendum. Do you want it? Yes. New constitution. Do you want it? No. We continue with 1997 constitution. Simple. But when Nafiki Asifal Gambia, this draft constitution debate is not going to die, because these are the laws of the people that we are going to be subject to. So why don't we do something that is going to benefit everybody, that everybody contributed towards? CRC was not limited. It was open. If you want to contribute, they give you a chance. In fact, as a witness, a lot of their meetings go over time because they want to give opportunity to everybody to hear what everybody has to say. All the recordings are there. So why would that be thrown into the dustbin and then Barrow comes up and drafts his own draft? Because we're in the favor. May more favor, more killing. So these financial scandals that are going on with the Gambia's name coming up in every scandal that's going on, passport scandal, the cocaine bust that still nothing has come out of it, that magic airplanes that were bought and they end up in Belarus or something, the Russian oil scandal now, Bashar Assad's stealing money from his people just like Yahya Jammeh did, and Gambia's name is surfacing in it, all for what? I don't want Barrow to make more money. Muslim elders, don't worry about where the funding is going to come from. You are the head of state. You are going to help Muslim elders. That is a sect within the country. You're going to fund them, but you don't want them to ask where the funding is coming from. What about the Christian Council? So manam toñaade ñindol ko tel lata ñina ya kunje ñindol ko tel lata ñina ya kunje ana la alquran ta ala ndol ñam na dia tam me song na man dia me bala nim fata ala ya ta sécurité bar comme bébé sirim banko la ite ka fa ñindol yon ko mbako do di la barak hanal ma alfa mata ni ka ñene ka e ka banami do car president number 1 you're not allowed to do a business. Number 2, you are salaried and you're not going to use your salary for that. Ibama fon ko brata asazare asambal tano. You can more security. Munana Arambro more than one security person. So why does he even need security outside the country? Munana to travel to any country and the Gambia's diplomatic mission there, they contribute towards our security or your house in a place where he can be secure. Why does he have to travel with a whole bunch of security detail, end up paying them millions for per diem? Why? It's more okay no. Iulu baya sasa ya sutura ya jara ko nyanta jara nyama wala ya sambara Tesla yela suturo laka foye banko la kodo da blande je say mol be fere muske bala kuma fa so fa bali alta mero so to bo be ke kam e kana fa nyndole on ko kodo men fa mbadi la la harama jara al fa batande o bonde la alta be kodo soro la e baba namindo namaka corruption. So you kusi fa la banko kan bari bu kay da tele wala ita flale on ko mano da be ten ba nyine ke kam pour ka jindi le tano to ngal na boroti ye bari nyine ke kam pour kal mako ale boro soto nyine be kere ngasilo do ku jande 50 kilometers 70 kilometers 80 kilometers for what when there is no trade in the country? What are you doing to make sure trade is flourishing in the country? Nana to the results. Everybody sees it. Every academic year, we have the same complaint online. The results are poor. The results are poor. The results are poor. With all the access to information on the internet now, look at the Jawara days. The people who learned, who went to school in those days, they are way versed in their subject area, more, academically inclined than currently. When you have to go to the library manually, you research. Spend hours and hours. Now it's at your fingertips. Google, type. Children cannot even access that in the Gambia. But you keep saying us classroom bill. Information is no longer brick and mortar. What are you doing to facilitate internet education in the Gambia? In schools. But you are still stuck in 1910. Why are you building all those classrooms? And the results keep getting poorer and poorer. Gambian children cannot compete with any other children across. And in the social media, TikTok, and YouTube and everything. See who they are competing against and what those people's contents look like. Mankili. There is no school number, classroom number, so many classrooms built. I refurbish this hospital. People are still, your mother is going for checkup in Senegal. So what is the benefit of all of that? Now man can just a dumpster where you just dumping public money. But they don't say anything about that. They just want you to focus on, Madijibate is saying this, I love Banko Malala. UDP in Kolte, after Banko Malala. You are destroying people's homes, not giving anything. Because you don't have the mechanism in place. Make sure compound A belongs to Landing Sane. And make sure anybody else who comes, because of the demarcation, you look at your records, I'm buying compound A. No, we already have in our record code, it belongs to Landing Sane. We need to talk to him. But you compound A, Wafi Landing Sane, compound A, Wafi Yankuba Manjama, compound A, Yamrea, feature Nokoyadam. The same thing. The same compound to 5 people. So when you want to demolish it, because of the need of the country or the community, a greater need for the community, you just send your message to Yankuba Minte when he doesn't even have any access to that land. But at that point, Cherno was the one living in the compound. You come and destroy. You say, we gave them notice. Who did you give the notice to? That is a fault from the ministry. They didn't take care of it. But now they left people homeless. People are getting angry, saying we would rather die than whatever happens, happens. Is that not a recipe for disaster in the country? Everywhere in the world, even Russia, Ukraine, is the reason why, foreign Dabakola and Bangkok. Land. Simple. Russia, Ukraine, land. Israel, with their genocide, what is it? Land. The same thing. Everywhere you go, land is the problem. So, whatever more local land in boy. Many along ko mamanyo lokungol and la ado walam natri lafto ado change la put very good laws in place, make sure people are not unjustly treated. But neko nyemunta lokungol eventually ning kunku ban senobanda ikatala nyote manila korda loji. Ning government sulata you go and buy it from the people who own it and then you build what you need to build there. But if you see the you need to go. 5-6 years down the line, you distribute the land among your cronies and leave those people homeless. Keep pushing them further and further into the country, where they go and find new lands. And then eventually you say, development is here. Your grandparents own this land, but now we need it. You kick their kids out. What sense does that make? You're brewing disaster in the country. But then you're pointing fingers to people who are telling you the truth. These are the people who want to Tal Deccan. What has Mahdi ever said that is going to Tal Deccan? So this is the problem in the country, and the people need to be focused on what the real issues are. Nobody is telling you, well, not yet. Campaign man start follow. You know which side I'm on and which side I'm going to campaign for. But the fact of the matter is this government is failing, and people need to see where they're failing. When it comes time, we'll have 35 candidates to choose from. Have faith in who you believe will be the rightful replacement. Whether you have enough people thinking the same way or not, that's not up to you. But follow your conviction. Don't say, even though this guy is bad, he's terrible. We did the same thing in 2021. Look where we are today. What progress have we made? it's going to be worse. The longer somebody stays in power, the more power he gets, and the less concern he has for the people. So that leads to what Yahya Jammeh's situation was in the country. Before we take action, a lot of people have unnecessarily lost their lives, unnecessarily lost their properties. Some are maimed for life, still waiting for justice. Ruined people's lives. Look at Sankoria. Not that I'm sympathetic to him, because his action, whatever actions you do, there's consequences. But where is his family now? Devastated because of his fate. Why? Because he answered to Yahya Jammeh's call. Maybe he was scared, he did what he did. Maybe he was greedy to do what he did. Maybe he was just arrogant. I don't know. But he did it. Yahya Jammeh approved of it. It was in violation of the law, and now he has to pay the price. Being jailed in America, thousands of miles away from your family, they're never going to see you again, and you're not going to get a phone call to call international, maybe. Essentially, you are alive, but you are dead to your family. How much trauma are they going through? The longer somebody stays in power, the worse they become. Because they feel like they're not accountable to the people. Whatever they do, the people will pass it off and say, oh yeah, you know, he's better than the alternative, when you have not tested any of the alternatives. We saw it here. Everybody like, oh, Halifa Saleh is good, Halifa Saleh is good, Halifa Saleh is good. Election time. Don't vote for Halifa Saleh because he has no chance of winning. Let's just maintain Adama Barrow. What sense does that make? You believe somebody is good to lead the country. Even in 2020, last year, America's election, there was a Green Party candidate, so many candidates that people know we're not going to win, and people were campaigning against them. But people said, this is my conviction. I'm not going to vote for either of the candidates. Why? Because of their track record, especially in what is going on in the Middle East. So they went with their gut, and then we ended up where we ended up. It's not a good situation, of course, but they stuck to their conviction. If you have a conviction, stick to it. Let us show this man what you're doing to the country is wrong. We want an alternative. If we change and then the person after him comes, Yahya Jammeh was there 22 years. What did he say? Jawara was there 30. Yahya Jammeh was there 22 years. We kicked him out. Barrow after 10 years, kick him out. Whoever comes after him, if he doesn't do what is expected, kick him out after 5 years. The next person will act right. That's how you get it right. So, you know, we'll try to come every week because there's something going on every day in that country. That is ridiculous. But as far as the draft constitution is concerned, let us stick to our guns. This is something that will affect our lives directly, whether we want to or not. They are the laws of the country. The government can violate the laws and get away with it, like Adama Barrow keeps doing, and he's not getting impeached. Fire the National Assembly member, clear violation of the constitution, nothing happened. Send armed officers into the premises of a local government authority who exercise their authority rightfully, and they acted in violation of the constitution. Nothing is going to come out of it. The government can do that. They are the people in power. So it doesn't matter what constitution they give us. They are going to try and do whatever they want to do to maintain power. And it is up to the National Assembly or the people to rise up and say, we don't want this. You have to obey the law. But if they give you those bad laws, that gives them excuse to do it, and you cannot do anything about it. And then we're saying, oh, just let it pass. No. It's not going to happen. We can have this fight again at the next. If you feel like you need people in the National Assembly who are going to do whatever the government says, next election, don't vote for UDP. Vote for other people. They will just go along with whatever the government says. That's what they want. A one-party state, the power is in the hands of the people. Go and vote for whoever you want to vote for that is going to align with the government if you think that's what progress means. Until we'll be on this side here doing our thing. You know, we talk. Sometimes you want to give up, like other people say they're already giving up, but you consider that lady out there in the country who has constantly been saying, no, 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 no. We give up, we're giving up on her. So we'll keep talking. We'll keep doing our best. Hopefully people see the light and know that what's wrong is wrong. Whatever decision you make after that, it's up to you. Whether you stick with it or you don't, it's up to you. But what's wrong, we'll point it out and say this is wrong. The rest, that's in the hands of the people. So until next week, inshallah, we'll try again. And like I said, the fight has started. Well, it's been going on. We just didn't have time to take part. But hopefully we can keep it up now. So Allah Barakabako. We'll see you guys next week.